You know what number this is?
0.
0. And this number? 1. Oh, is he going to move to this side?
10.
What was that?
10.
Oh! You notice that when the 1 and 0 go together, they look like 10. And this number?
2.
2. I think I'll move these over a little bit this way, so we'll have more room for the other numbers. It doesn't? What does this one look like? You don't know? What's this number?
3.
3. And
4.
4. Are you 4 years old?
I'm 4.
Who else is 4? Raise your hand.
If you're 4, raise your
Ooh,
hand.
almost everybody is 4.
I'm 3. I'm 2. I'm 5.
Oh, so you're 5. Who else is 5?
Me.
Are you 5 also?
Goes this way.
Oh, well, thank you. That's very nice of you. You know what? I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it this way so that it's facing all of you. But thank you. That was very nice of you to want to face it near me. And this number?
6.
6.
No one's 6 years old. 7.
Nobody's 6 years old yet, huh?
7.
7.
Oh, here comes 8.
Oh, you knew that 8 was coming, huh?
8. Here comes 9.
Here comes 9. And 9.
Here comes 10.
You know what? I forgot to bring 10. So we have 0 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to mix up these numbers, and I'm going to ask some friends to help. Monique, Dizzy, Alexis, and Zoe, you want to help me mix this up? And you too, Garrett? We'll have 5 friends.
Go mix up those numbers.
Garrett, you want to help too? Let's mix it up. Let's mix up the numbers, the numbers, the numbers. Let's mix up the numbers, the numbers, the numbers. Let's mix up the numbers, the numbers, the numbers. Let's mix up the numbers, the numbers, the numbers. Let's mix up the numbers. And that is good. Okay, thank you. Now let's go back to the green line. Now I'm going to put the numbers back in line again.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, I heard somebody say uh-oh. Why uh-oh?
Uh-oh.
Why uh-oh? Why do you think you're saying uh-oh?
Uh-oh.
Why? Is something wrong?
Uh-oh.
Is something wrong, Garrett?
No, I got the wrong way.
Oh, you mean, Alexis, you're saying that the numbers are the wrong way?
Yeah.
Oh, well, you know what?
I'm
Maybe.
going to be last.
What's supposed to be last?
9.
9 is supposed to be last? Oh, you know what? If I gave each of you a number, maybe we could figure out how to put them in the right
No,
order.
the O next to that letter, next to the 4, that is supposed to go down this side.
Oh, really? Is it supposed to go on this side? Oh. You know what? If you're sitting crisscross like me, I'm going to give each of you a number, and we'll help put them in the right order. So you get this one, and 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 you get this one. So tell me again, what's the first number that should go here?
0.
0. Who has 0?
To my right.
Oh, you have 0. Okay. And what number comes after 0?
1.
1. Who has 1?
Look at your number. See,
Does anybody
see who
have
has
1?
Who has 1?
You have 1? Okay, where do you think the 1 goes?
Next to 0.
Next to the 0, Paul?
Next to 0.
Okay, you want to do that? You want to put it next to the 0? Okay. After 1
2.
comes 2. Who has 2?
Is that a 2?
Is that 2, Dissy? Oh, you're shaking your head, Garrett.
He does have a 2.
Look at your card.
Garrett has 2?
I just wanted to.
Is that 2, Garrett?
Is it? Garrett was thinking a long time, and then he figured out.
He turned it upside down and back around again, and I
Oh.
think he was looking at it 2 different ways.
Oh, I see. When you were holding it upside down, Garrett, did it look like a 2? Oh, really? Oh, so you knew it was a 2 even though you held it upside down. It look like what?
Hook.
Oh yeah, like this. It looks like a hook, like something you hook something on. What's after 2?
The Captain Hook.
What comes
Like in
after
Captain Hook.
Yeah.
That's right. The captain has a hook. Who has 3?
I have Captain Hook.
Do you? Who has 3?
It's a DVD.
You have 3.
Mine is a Captain Hook.
Okay. And what's the next number? 4.
two? Wow. Keegan, you knew right away.
And the next number?
5.
5. Who has 5?
Monique.
Monique has 5, huh? And after 5,
The Aspen.
you thinking 10 comes after 5?
Who has 6?
Oh. And what's after 6?
7.
7. Paul said that really fast. Who has 7?
It's a 9 too.
Who has 7? Look at your card.
Who
See if
has
it's a 7. Is that a 7?
She's looking at Alexa.
Alexis, that is a 7. It looks like Zoe's sneaking up in front of her. Go ahead, Alexis.
Zoe's after Alexis.
Oh, Zoe's after Alexis? Oh, you put the 7 before the 0.
That doesn't go there.
It doesn't?
It goes on the other side of the 6.
Oh, on the other side? Oh, should I put it on this side?
Oh,
Oh.
there's 9.
Okay. Oh, Zoe's ready with her number.
8.
Where
On
does
the
the
other
8
side
go?
of 7.
On the other side of 7, Paul?
Look at
Do you think 8 should go on the other side of 7? Okay. You want to do that? Okay, we got one more number.
Oh.
9.
9.
That's missing.
That's right.
See the seat's going up like that. Hey, the biggest.
Thank you.
Zoe, great. And
So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I'm gonna move these over.
we forgot the 10.
You're right, I forgot the 10. Should I remember the 10 next time, Gary? Okay, I'll remember the 10 next time. Now, I'm gonna hold out what Cookie Monster likes. Cookie Monster likes cookies. And what do some cookies have in them?
Chocolate chip.
Some of them have chocolate chips. Yeah, you
And
know what?
vanilla.
And vanilla too.
Chocolate.
Right, chocolate and vanilla.
And sauce.
And what?
Sauce.
And
Salt.
sauce?
Yeah.
Is there sauce in
No.
cookies?
And frosting on the cookie.
And some cookies have frosting on it too.
And sauce.
And sauce? I've never seen sauce on a cookie before. Have you?
I've never seen that before. I like them to put sprinkles on it.
Ooh, sprinkles. Mmm. So there are lots of things that go in cookies.
All the pecans.
Yeah.
Not sauce.
But what I put on my cookies was I put on chocolate chips. How many chocolate chips are on this cookie?
None.
None? So what number of chips do we have on here?
None.
None. 0. Right, because 0 is the number for none, huh? Okay. How many chocolate chips do I have on this one? 1. And on this cookie, how many chips do I have? 2. And on this cookie, 3. This one looks like a happy face?
Yeah.
4 chips on that cookie.
Oh.
I'm going to move this over a bit because these cookies take up a lot of space. In fact, maybe I'll make this look like this. There we go.
Like a rainbow?
Kind of like a rainbow, so we can have a lot of space for all the cookies that I'm going to put after. How many does this one have? 5. And that's the sound the Cookie Monster makes when he eats his cookies, huh? 6.
7.
And 7 chips on this cookie. And on this one?
8. You
8.
didn't forgot
And on this one?
5. You forgot the 10.
I forgot the 10 again. 9. So we have 0 chips, 1 chip, 2 chips, 3 chips, 4 chips, 5 chips, 6 chips, 7 chips, 8 chips, 9 chips. And you know what? This time I think we're going to mix up the chocolate chip cookies. And I think I'm going to ask Keegan Paul, what's her name?
Alexis.
Alexis, Isabel, and I can't see your name.
Trevor.
And Trevor to help. Want to help me?
Oh, no, Garrett.
Mixing up the cookies, the cookies, the cookies. Mixing up the cookies, the cookies, the cookies. Mixing up the cookies, the cookies, the cookies. Mixing up the cookies, and that is good. Okay.
You sit the other way, Garrett. Put your legs in front.
That's the wrong way. That's the wrong way.
Are these cookies going back the wrong way?
Yeah.
They're all mixed up again.
You're right.
The wrong way.
Maybe I should give each friend a chocolate chip cookie and we can put these in the right order. Okay. So here's one for you, and 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 one for you. Okay, which cookie has 0 chocolate chips? Yours does. Okay, whose cookie has 1 chocolate chip?
Mine still, I get to be the first one to eat.
Whose cookie has 2 chocolate chips?
Oh, look at your chips. You
No.
must count them. Count your chocolate chips, Garrett.
So there are 2 possibilities. Which one of these has 2 chocolate?
Another one. That
Ooh.
way.
This one? Oh, so should we save this one for later?
I think
Oh,
we should.
okay.
2.
Who had this one? You had this one, right?
Jared.
Here we go. We'll save that one for later, okay?
Okay.
Okay, which cookie has 3 chocolate chips?
Who has 3
Whose cookie has 3
chocolate
chips?
chips?
Look at your cookie.
Look on your cookie, please.
Whose cookie has 3 chips? Isabel's does.
Count your chips.
I get to be the first one.
Oh, Garrett is counting his chips just to make sure. Whose cookie has 4 chocolate chips? Look at your cookies, those who
Alexis.
still have cookies.
Did you count yours? Count yours. Good job.
Alexis counted 4 chocolate chips.
She found it. Okay, now you're counting
Okay,
what's yours.
whose cookie has 5 chocolate chips? Yours does, Garrett?
No.
Count yours.
No. Yeah.
Whose cookie has 6 chocolate chips? Those who still have cookies, count your chips.
Did you count your chips, Alexis? Count your chips right there.
Did you count yours?
Oh, go ahead then.
Okay, whose cookie has 7 chocolate chips?
Good counting.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Whose cookie has 8 chocolate chips?
I counted them.
Did you? How many did you count?
Zoe.
How many did you have?
Oh, okay. So do you have 8? You have 8? Okay.
The dilemma.
Oh, I heard someone say this one looks like 9. Who said this looks like 9? You did? Ooh. Should we count to make sure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So does this have, you're right, does this one have 8 chips or 9 chips?
9.
Oh. So do you think I should move it over a little bit?
Yeah. Zoe.
Zoe what? What does Zoe have?
9.
How many chips do you have, Zoe, on yours?
8.
Have you got 8?
Zoe, how many do you
8.
have?
8.
You count them. You tell
Zoe,
us.
can you count them to see?
Look down at them and count.
I got
Say sit up, Garrett.
Okay, Zoe's counting.
So, we mixed them up.
How many?
A little bit.
Did you count 6?
That's a 9.
Okay, wanna bring it up? Okay, my friends. Do you think these are in the right